Alright, our fashion detailer. So right now what we have here are vinyl going along here. We also have vinyl along here. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our Tuff Stuff here. And we're going to first spray it on here first so it can be able to, the bubbles could be able to sit and start cleaning the surface. And then after that, what we'll do is wipe it up and then clean it with some natural shine. So first let's put down this seat and then we'll get into spraying this vinyl. All right, old fashion detailer. So some of the things that I'm paying attention to are marks like this, up here, areas such as here and down here, all over here. And I just want to be able to just spray all this stuff with Tuff Stuff. So first let's take this, we'll spray it. We really want to get these bubbles on the surface really good. And what this is going to do is sit and start pulling out all type of dirt from the surface. All right, old fashion detailers, we're gonna let that sit and then we're gonna wipe it up with our rag. So in some parts like this, I just want to just dig in a little bit to make sure that I'm getting it good. You know, for marks that thing can be able to be rubbed out or buffed out, make sure you're getting crevices like this. Now what we want to do now is take our natural shine, another microfiber towel, spray our rags, and then wipe. And the natural shine, this is going to make it shine a little bit better. The first process was us cleaning, and now we're just putting this natural shine protectant on it. Alright, old fashion detail, we have it all nice and clean. We're going to make sure that we're cleaning all panels, all vinyls, all seats.